morning, everybody. Welcome back to Minikit Monday on Monday. I always want to do like a football Sunday theme. I don't know why, but anyways. I have decided that this is the sketch that I'm going to be using for Minikit Monday today. And I am scrapbooking. Yes, this is me when I was young. And my Nana. So I'm going to scrapbook these pictures of us. I've been going through some old photographs and doing some cleanup. I am using this sketch, as I said before. I'm going to try to use these stamps. I'm trying to pull in my supplies a little bit more, and I think this would be just lovely. I haven't decided how I'm going to do them yet, so we will have to come back and see. In the sketch, it has a banner, and I'm not sure which banner I'm going to use, so I pull in both of these, and it has a, what do I want to call this? A notebook punch. This is the cardstock that I'm going to use. I'm going to use this dark brown, the leaf. I have these punch outs. This has got a pattern to it. I don't know if you can see it. And then I was cutting off the edges of this paper, trimming it up, and I am going to be using, there's some little pieces here that I can be adding into there, so I'm going to be using those, and I have some cardstock and some other pattern paper. So we'll get going on this and we'll come back and see what we've done. Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to finish up my second layout for Minikit Monday. I kind of ran into a little bit of problem, but I worked my way through it. It was very hard to use these old photos with what I was doing. I think that's what it was, or it could have been just my mojo was off. I don't know. So I went ahead and punched out some leaves with my die cut, and I noticed that I did not get very much of a impression with the leaf, and when I put them on my page, I did not like them. So I don't know about you guys, but I just took my bone folder and I just pressed on the back of it and just kind of made some lines where the leaf lines would be. And it kind of gave it some dimension, so I was way happier with that. But I wanted to share that with you to get some dimension. Don't be afraid to push on it with something, because I could always cut a new one out, right? So I'm going to finish up my cluster here. I really enjoyed playing with this sketch. I reached into my old washi, and I've been digging through my old stash as far as my photos. I've got to get these things done. This is when I was super young. And this is my Nana. She had moved to town, and of course we hit it off. Oh, I don't think I want that there. I think we better put this here. And if you hear extra noises, my husband is home in the other room. I'm not sure what he's doing, but anyways, I had another leaf, I thought. I thought I had a little baby leaf. Maybe I don't. Maybe I don't. Oh, and I was going to share with you that I have sticker books. Do you guys use your sticker books? I am definitely, this does not want to stick today. Half the time I can't get the lid off, and then when I try to stick something, it's not going to stick. That's not nice. It's not nice. We'll put that on there. Okay, so what I was saying is my sticker books. I have these, I took my sticker books apart and I put them, I hope there's not a glare, and I got these at Hobby Lobby they were on clearance for like $4 or something like that. So I took them and separated them out. I put words, like these are alphas, and I just put a piece of ATG, just ran it across and stuck them in there. So that it, I mean, you can remove them, you can, this is not a new concept. I think I saw Karen from Yes Please Paper Crafts do this. I think that's where I got it. I apologize. But anyways, and I have them sitting right here next to me, but I am terrible about bringing them in. So I am trying to get things to where I'm bringing them in. So I was able to use one sticker. It's better than none, right? I really had a good time trying to make this work for me as far as the photos. I did really enjoy the sketch. So I just think page maps are just wonderful. I don't know if you guys use them or not, but I definitely would recommend them. And then when I was going through my sticker binder, I needed just something else to bring this to life a little bit. And I saw a cute little sticker with a ribbon tied around it. And I'm just going to kind of layer this here just for a little bit more. I know you probably won't be able to see much of it, but I just needed something. But the sticker had this little ribbon on it, and I'm like, oh, that's a cute idea. So I'm going to add that on there, and hopefully it'll stick. And I'm using sequins. This is one of the very few times that I have used sequins. I don't know that I'm a huge sequin fan. I see them on other people's layouts, and I think, oh, those are so cute. So giving it a whirl, giving it a whirl. I don't have very many. Oh, and they're kind of slick-burry little guys too. And then I have another ribbon, and I probably will just cut those off. So, what have you guys been doing? Have you checked out the Monday Ladies? If you haven't, I recommend that you do. I will list them down below. They are so much fun, and they have, there's just so much creativity with those gals. I love their challenges. I love their, oh, here's that other leaf. Where do I want to put that? My little bouquet of leafness here. Guess we'll just slap her right on there. So anyways, I hope you guys will join the ladies from Mini Kit Monday. I love playing with their challenges, and I hope you guys are having a super scrappy weekend and you're enjoying the fall weather and making some memories. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.